who's watching this video. Hey, next, Italy. I am on a journey with no destination. It's a great video, great YouTube video. Today I'm going to order a pizza, which is currently 10. It will be open by the order will be open by 10:11, I think. 10:11 or 10:59, I forgot. Now it's the very first time I will be ordering pizza from Zomato. Earlier I didn't earlier it was not possible to order a pizza from Zomato because there was not delivering in my address. And I also eaten some puri, which is dal. Couldn't eat the last one, the 3 puri. I also bought a fish from the market. This is coconut. I don't know what it's called in English. Look at it over here. I will cook it not today. I mean today in the afternoon, not in the. I mean afternoon. Yes. Currently it's 11. I have to also clean my room. The mystery has come today. You can see down my room, the totally mess. Train is about to reach Kokrajhar, so I am leaving for the station to pick up my mom. It will be around, the train will reach in 11:20. It's almost 11 right now, so most probably within just few minutes she will reach the station. Go to the station to pick up. You can see that it's pitch dark. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so it's pitch dark right now. You can see the road. Oh my god. I can see a truck. Just following it. Huge truck. Whatever good thing about riding alone on the road is because it feels awesome, man. That conquering the darkness of the night and fear, overcome the fear. I think that it is the greatest feeling ever in life. Oh my god, it's really cold. There's no one out here. It's totally dark. A few scooters can be seen moving around. It's around 11. Look at the darkness. More empty the road, the better the feeling. Because I used to fear of the darkness a lot, but now somehow I have managed to overcome it. For a few days I have been driving my mom in the morning when there's empty road, and the light is just covering my eyes. It's very difficult to see. When the light directly hits your eyes, you cannot see anything. That's the problem. And about how I see a dog inside. It's a wonderful feeling. Especially at night, it's very wonderful feeling. It's very empty road. You can usually there is so much busyness in this road, and it feels awesome. And that's because it's night. After driving my mom 2-3 times, now I've managed to conquer my fear. I used to fear of darkness. I used to fear coming alone. Now it feels awesome. And this is how someone said it right. Like the fear dies when you run towards it. But when you run away from fear, the fear comes chasing to you. And this is the hotel. This is, I think there is a car. This side, otherwise there is a people. Every in the morning I see come bunch of people. There's another car. go to the right side, then this car pass, and we will continue. Oh, he is already moving the side. So there's moving signal. Let him go. This is the main area of the town. Where usually there is a whole bunch of traffic. This is the bazaar area, daily market. And look at the trees. Ah, wonderful. Mashallah. I don't know how the audio quality is coming right now. I have no idea. But hopefully it will be fine. Look at the trees. There was in this street there was what do you call, some clothes were lining up in the clothes under the tree, or they were keeping clothes in them. This is the market area. You can see totally empty. Now we're able to reach the station. You can see the distance. A light is directly touching my camera. And I'm gonna go. So I finally reached the station. So this is the Cockroach station. You can see some statue on behind that side. This is the museum. This is the statue of Poro people dancing. This is the under Bagunwara dance, and this is the how it looks like at night. I'm gonna go that side. Look at this side. Look at that. It takes this is the main entrance. You have to go inside through that. So this is how it looks like. It's made of steel. You can see the name written on it. And grave right, Philip Dengari. Sumi Busumutari.
Kanchenjunga Express platform number 2 पर आ रही है. May I have your attention, please? Train number 1373 Kanchenjunga Express from Sialdah to via Landing.
You can see the dog. You can see there was a dog in the track. And last time when I pick up my mom from here, from the station, the dog was there and the train was coming. And then just minute before the train came, the dog jumped over from the track to the floor. That means in the platform. And the railway police also came and they was just like chasing the dog to run away from the track. And I was also trying to chase the dog away by throwing a rock or something. Not hurting the dog usually, but then I thought like this dog might die, so I don't want to see the death. So as I was also helpless, couldn't. But then the railway police came and was shouting at the dog, but the dog was still there till the last moment. The train was about to hit, and he just supported the platform. That minute before the train hitting him, and it's so clever, this dog. Then there's still dog is there, I think in the ground. I'm not sure. Some people might be thinking I will be taking video of them. So I think mom will take more. I think she will take more minutes. I think 10-20 minutes more to reach. She just called me up 3 minutes ago and told that it will take. Why did you come so early? She was telling me. I was reading a blog in the outside, and then there was one guy staring at me, and I don't want to lose my phone. You never know what people might be doing with your phone, who you might be targeting, and if you're doing a blogging, you cannot lose your phone. Someone will sneak away and run away. It's dark. It's pretty scary to make a blog. And another thing is that even making a blog in the public is especially very dangerous kind of thing. I get scared because about there someone sneaking away your phone. The train is coming. I can hear the sound. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, this one. You can see the light in distance. So this is the train where Man is coming from. It's coming from Guwahati. So this is the train's airport. She is in, and it will take some time. There's no dog in the track. Last time the dog was in the track, and I think there was someone else. Usually the dogs trying to feed their stomach by the people. Many people throw food in the track. It's coming out of train. Sometimes people throwing out from the train outside. So they're trying to feed their stomach from that way. It's coming. Why is it so slow? Because of the train station. That's why I think that's really slow. And some people might just get outside while the train is running. Yeah, some people are, I don't know. It's coming. It's taking long time. It's taking way more longer than I expect. There's some people just staring at me, just wondering what they might be thinking I am from some other different countries or from the other states. Yeah, it's coming. I can hear the sound. Hope you guys can hear. The mic is from to my side only. It's not in the front side. In the back side, I plug in so that you guys can hear my sound, my voice. Oh, there's she. The train is coming. I can see the train. This is the train. I will also have to see my mom, etc. Oh, right now the feeling like that has come. I cannot see it. Last time my mom was in the bus. They were just close to that door. I don't know which side then. Let's hope the. Alright guys, finally reached our home back safely. Alright guys, see you in the next vlog. Bye.